Like,
fuck you.
woo!
Emotional damage.
Do it!
Fuck you.
Who are you?
Another one.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Oh my god.
She went to tripping. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What it is?
Jambes crochées à gauche, à droite, Kylian et Mbappé. Accélération, virgule.
Oh my god! He because it from. Oh my god!
Fuck you.
Ooh, that's a good one.
No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, 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 wait.
What you saying, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's match day.
Hello, boy woos. As you know, my name is Adam.
And my name is Daniel.
Hey, Daniel. No one asked from you.
You shut the f up, Adam.
You all sound about one bad though.
Bro, shut the flip up. By the way, boy woos, did you subscribe the channel?
If you didn't,
Smash that subscribe button.
wow, Maddie, what a goal.
Nah, Daniel. Maddie is noob. He just score the goal because he have good players.
Yeah, you're right.
Also,
Smash that like button.
hey, boy woos, if you want me to open these packs more, do 1K likes on this video, I'm gonna open more.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the applause.